Hi, it's Amaranthe, and you can call me Robin, and welcome to more of 17 Month, the month where I'm bringing you just as much 17 content as I can. So if you're already behind, I mean, just playlist up there, all my 17 videos, just catch up. It's gonna take you a while, but catch up. So yeah, we're back with more. And today we have June and the 8's solos from the Ideal Cuts, what am I saying? From the Ideal Cut concert. That's what we have today. I'm super excited. Again, like I said with Joshua, not Jonghan. I do not know why it's a Jonghan in that video. That's so strange. But like I said in that video, it's cool to see like the members just doing their own solo stuff. I haven't really heard a lot of the other members doing like solo stuff. Like obviously I've heard a lot of the hip hop unit doing solo stuff, but not like the rest of the group. So it's super cool to see that. And if you missed it, I just realized I didn't really talk about it, but I did watch 17's King of Mass. I can't even speak. I just watched 17's King of Mass Singer performances and tried to guess who was who. So that's on my Patreon, link in the description. It's for free, so you can go watch it. And yeah, so let's get into these solos and let's continue 17 Month. This is iconic. I love that he's just like sitting in the moon like the... What is that, Pixar? We love the 8 singing. Ooh, I don't think I've ever heard his voice like isolated like this. I love like the kind of the guitar. It was like there's like no resolution to whatever's happening. I don't even know what he's singing about. Fashionable as always. I want that cover. It's like whoever's in front of the person filming is doing exactly what I'm doing. I like his voice tone. I've never really heard him like just sing before. Like obviously I know he sings in some songs, but like isolated like this, it's cool. Pretty. Oh, that was the end. Okay. All right. Well, I realized at the end there that I forgot to say what song it was. It was called Night and Rain. So I don't really know what it was about, but it seemed like it gave me the vibe that it was sort of like a melancholy, sort of like reminiscent sort of vibe, like if you're listening to like rain at night, like the kind of things that you sort of think of. That's the kind of the vibe it was giving me. So I don't know if that was just like kind of like texture painting for the song or like what the lyrics actually suggested. I don't know. People kept awing in the crowd like he was saying something sad or really cute, so I'm not sure. But anyways, let's go ahead to June's Echo. Okay, we're starting strong. Hopefully it in the mic. I love the guitar in both of these songs. This one's more fun though. I thought this was English stuff. Am I freaking out? I guess so. Okay, never mind. This gives me the... I can't think of song names right now. But it reminds me of the 117 song that's like an anime intro. Run to You? I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it on the screen. Oh my goodness. The one girl who's just like... she can't even react. She's still... is she okay? I'm actually concerned. I mean, same, but like... Oh, is he going up? Yeah! He looks good. Well, life. He's sitting there like, I know I look good. And obviously we know June's voice is amazing. He's so he's such an interesting tone. All right, so that was the end of Echo. Right, so that was me reacting to The8's Night and Rain and June's Echo. Both of those songs had like really interesting use of guitar in them, which is kind of cool. I don't know which one I like better. All I know is that June's song definitely sounded like another like anime intro-esque song. Like it just felt like we're going, we're doing this, we're killing it. And then again, like I said, The8 song sounded very like somber and melancholy, sort of like reminiscent on something. I don't know. I like them both. I can't choose. I won't. So, oh well. But anyways, yeah. So both of those are super interesting. Like I said before, it's really cool to just hear MINGHAO like actually just sing, which I feel like we just don't hear enough. We don't hear it enough. I need to hear it more. I love him rapping, but I also love him singing. And then obviously we know that June, you know, could get more lines too, but we do hear his voice. I mean, how could you not? It was like one of the first voices like in 17 and I was just like, oh, that's June. Okay, got it. Let me find out the rest of them, but I know that's June. Because he has such a unique like vocal like quality. He's just like a sweet sounding voice. I don't know how else to say it. It's just, his voice sounds like liquid sugar. Not even honey, not honey, but like pure sugar. Like straight from the cane. Did that analogy make any sense? I don't know. I haven't eaten sugar straight from the cane. I don't know what that would even taste like. Anyways, analogies aside, both of those are great. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more 17 month coming your way, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. See you then.